Alright, this is your XR11 remote, and you can tell that by flipping it over here on the back. It says XR11. This thing's pretty rough looking. I think my dog's been chewing on it, but I was going to do a video today about how to do a factory reset on this remote. There's two different ways, and one way is this setup button right here. You hold it in, and then it just doesn't have any batteries in it, but if it did, the light up here would go from red to green. And right when it turns green, you're going to go right here and you're going to push 981. So set up, wait for the light to change, let go of setup, 981. And when you do that, you'll see this light up here flash. I think it'll flash blue, or it might flash green. I'm not real sure. I don't know. Like I said, it doesn't have any batteries, but it'll flash a few times. And that's how you know you've been successful. Then, if you're having trouble programming it, you can start all the way from scratch then. I also have videos on how to program this remote, which is very simple. This just gets it back to the factory settings. It starts it, excuse me, starts it all the way from scratch. So that works. And you can also hold in setup. You hold in setup, and the light up here will change, and you just press the A button. That can also factory reset it as well. Some markets are different, so if the 981 doesn't work, try that one. Try holding setup and pressing A after the light changes, and that should factory reset your remote. And again, this is the XR11 remote. This setup also works on this one here too. This is the XR2 remote. It works the same way on it. You'll just hold in setup, press A or setup. When the light changes, you press 981. So that's simple, guys. The newer remote, the XR15, is a little bit different, so I'll be doing a video on it here soon. Hope you enjoy it. Hit that like button. You don't have to subscribe, but I'd like for you to. Watch my videos. Mainly hit that like button. Keep them flowing. Thank you very much. Have a good day.